Man, we're really rolling. Awesome. So how's it going? You with us? Following along? Everything's cool? Yes, no, maybe? I know that last video might be a little bit complicated with all the code and stuff. So if you found last video to be a little complicated, don't worry about it, all right? Just simply go back and watch it over again. And I'm sure if you watch it several times, you'll probably get it and it should be no problem for you, all right? But if you are not used to stuff like that, don't worry about it. I mean, it's really, really simple. Quick tip, I'll tell you. First of all, is don't let that overwhelm you. I mean, it's really not that complicated. Like I said, you might have to watch it a couple, 3 times if you have to. But quick tip is this: as you're watching Frank do stuff on his computer with that code, copy it and paste it and going back and forth between the eye contact web form and his, landing page. If you just pay attention to the line numbers that's on his in his notepad, it's going to be a lot easier for you to actually follow along and do what he does and get this thing done. All right? So you got your landing page, you got your eye contact set up, hopefully, right? You got that linked with your landing page, so everything's good to go, but it's on your local computer, it's on your desktop or laptop, right? What we need to do now is we need to get that off of your computer and we need to put it up on the cyberspace, onto the internet, onto your server, so that other people can find you, all right? So let me kind of demonstrate to you how this is going to work with this beautiful red marker, all right? This is your local computer, right? So right now you have your landing page sitting on your computer. It's all created, good to go. What we need to do is we need to get it out to this cloud, okay? Called server. All right, so we need to get it out to the cyberspace, and then so that people can find you online, all right, come to your site and give you money. That's the plan, right? Very simple, not really complicated, right? Makes sense. So there's 2 ways that you can get your files from your, your landing page files from your computer onto the server, okay? First way is through your cPanel, which is your control panel. Okay, and this is what Frank is going to walk you through how to do in this video. And then second way, or way number 2 that you can do this is through FTP client. All right, both will do the same thing. One is going to be a little faster than the other, but we're going to walk you through both of these options. All right, so right now in this video, Frank is going to show you exactly how to get your landing page that you have created on your computer, how to put it on your server using cPanel. Okay, so that's going to be number 1. And then in the video following that, he's going to show you how to do the exact same thing, but using an FTP client. Okay, very simple. Again, we'll try to keep it as simple as possible. It might be a little bit on the advanced side. Don't worry about it. Just pay attention. Really watch what he's doing, and just if you just follow along, you should have no problem actually doing this. All right, and then I'll be right back with you after those 2 videos, and then we'll pick up and move forward. All right, so here's Frank.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Frank. We're getting close, folks, because now we are going to be learning how to upload files over via cPanel File Manager. Okay, so now that we have our sample landing page right in our computer, we're going to now upload it over to the server that we have that's hosting. So if you can go ahead and log in to your HostGator control panel, okay, down right in the center you will see the file section, and we will be using the file manager. Okay, we're basically going to upload all the local files that we have in our computer over to the server, okay, to your house, to your hosting server. All right, I'm going to be using Host Monster. My account is there, so I'm going to be using it's exactly the same. So all right, everybody, let's click File Manager. We are going to go directly over to the web root. Okay, that's right there. We don't need the home directory. We're going to go directly to the www or the public HTML folder. All right, then click Go. Okay, so once you're there, Okay, so once you are there, we are going to click upload. All right, first of all, let me just create a folder so that we can see the sample of it. I'm just going to create a new folder. Okay, and I'm going to call this one HTA sample landing page. Okay, now you don't need to do this one, folks, because that's just for me, so that I can later show you my access to it. Okay, all right, so I will go now to HTA sample LP. Okay, consider this is going to be, all right, so the directory is empty. Basically, my URL is going to be like this. Okay, all right, so now we are going to upload files. Let's go ahead and create a folder there for the images and etc. So new folder, and the folder is going to be called landing sample files, right? So let's connect that. All right, so that's where all the images is going to be going into. Okay, so there it goes. All right, so let's start uploading. Upload. Browse where we want it. Okay, all our files are. Go look for the folders where you have your files. Okay, and start uploading. So for example, you have HTA free landing page sample. So right, so let's upload the index first. Open. And there's the indication there. It's complete. Click to close. Okay. HT sample page. Okay, we're going there. So there's the index. Right, now we're going to upload inside this folder. So let's click that. So that directory is empty. All right, now we're going to upload the files. One by one, we're going to go upload the folder. All right, 1. Starting upload, complete. Go back again, start doing more. Okay, number 2. It's complete. Let's go take another one. So you just keep repeating this till all of the files are uploaded. So once you've uploaded all of those files, okay, there you go. It's pretty fast. All right, till the last one. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to pause this now and upload them all one by one. And you can do the same. And okay, so that we can go ahead and get to work. Okay, so all the complete ones we're going to close. And now let's check our sample. So our domain is idesignfashion.com/HTA. All right. Let's go up one level. Let's go up one level. Okay, it's HTA-sample LP. -sample LP. Okay, we don't need to put index.html. It should go directly to, and there it goes, loading up. Okay, so my files was in a folder called HTA sample LP. That's the one we created over here, right? We uploaded the files index and its associated file folder. And now we have our file or our landing page in our host, and it's now live into our domain. Congratulations everyone, and welcome to your first landing page.